In international law, two rules decided when a country can or cannot use military force. They come from the United Nations Charter and they are called Article 2 Subclause 4 and Article 51. Article 2 Subclause 4, the golden rule of peace, it says countries must not use force against another nation, border, territory, or political independence. It, in simple words, no invasion, no attack, no regime change, war. This is the foundation of modern international law after World War II to stop powerful countries from attacking weaker ones. Article 51, the only automatic exception, self-defense. A country may use force only if it has been attacked or face an imminent armed attack. The response is necessary and proportional, and it reports the action to the United Nations Security Council. This is called self-defense or collective self-defense. Article 51 does not allow countries to start war because they feel threatened someday. It is defense, not permission for aggression. So, how they work together? Article 2 Subclause 4, to not use force. Article 51, unless you are defending yourself after an attack. Anything else normally requires United Nations Security Council authorization under Chapter 7. A country invaded without being attacked, usually a violation of Article 2 Subclause 4. Country respond to a real armed attack and report it to the United Nations that can fall under Article 51 self-defense. Many modern conflicts are debated because government claim self-defense but other states argue that the threat was not real or imminent. Article 2 Subclause 4, stop war. Article 51 allows defense when war is forced upon you. Together, they form the rules of peace in the modern world.